Hello, everyone. According to some students, they said that they don't understand the long division, so we need today to explain the division on this video. You will find it on your textbook, page 73, so it's on 73, okay? We call it division by a single-digit number without regrouping. First of all, we need to ask ourselves, why do we use long division? Okay, why do we use the long division, or what is the meaning of long division? Sometimes, if you want to divide something on some number, okay, you want, like if you have small numbers, if you have like 25, you want to divide them on like 5 divided by 5, you can find this answer on the times table for 5 because it's a small number. You have here 25, you definitely can find it exactly the same on the times table of 5 or smaller than this number, okay? So you can find it, like if you have 25 divided by 5 equals 5. If you like, if they ask you of about 32, 32 divided by 5, okay, it's not on the 5 times table, but you can find it closer to it. So you have like 6, and then you have some remainder, which is 2. So you have the remainder 2. Okay, you can't find anything for 2. So since you can find it on the times table for this number, it's very easy to us. But why do we use the long division? The point of the long division, if we have a big number, like number of hundreds, we can't find this number for sure definitely on the times table of that number. So we need to do a long division. A long division is the way to divide this number or big number on small numbers, and to find if this number a multiple of this number or not. A multiple, so there is no remainder. If it's not a multiple, so you definitely will find a remainder, okay? The first exercise, which is if I want to divide 630 like 9 divided by 3. What are the steps that I need to do? Usually you will see the big number the first, okay? So usually you will find the number, the biggest number the first. So how can I do that? I will use the long division technique, which is divided on number 3 and write it this way, okay? What are the steps? Let's do them one by one. The first one, I have to start from the first number, which is close to the number 3. You ask yourself, how many 3 inside this 6? How many 3 inside this 6? I have 2 3. Or you can say, where can I find this number on the times table of 3? Think again. So you can find that if you multiply it with 2, you will find 2 times 3 equals 6. So the next step is go down, multiply this number. 2 times 3 equals 6, and subtract these numbers together, okay? Subtract these numbers. 6 take away 6 equal 0, okay? Perfect. So we're done with the first step. But we still have these numbers over here. What do we have to do? We have to send them or check them one by one. So move from the first one, we're done with it. We move to the next one. What's the next number, which is the 3? We put the 3 down, so we can check it now, okay? So we write 3 down here. Again, we ask ourselves, how many 3 inside this 3? I have only 1 3, so I write in the answer, focus with me, 1. 1 times 3 equal 3. So I write 3 over here, and I subtract again. 3 take away 3 equal 0. Am I done? No, not yet. I still have number over there. I still have 9. Now I have to check the 9. Put the 9 down. Okay? How many 3 inside? How many 3 inside this 9? How many 3? I need to choose, or remember, on the times table of 3, I need to find on the times table of 3, how many? If I put 9 in front of me, how many 3s I can find inside this 9? I can find 3 3s, okay? So the answer is 3. Now I multiply again. 3 times 3 equal 9. Subtract again, and 0. Do I have any more numbers? No. So the answer is 213. So the answer is 213. Okay, so this is the answer. No remainders. No remainder. This is what we call a simple long division. We don't have any regrouping. Okay, and we don't have any remainders. I will take some more exercises with some remainders. Let's do next exercise, which is 96. 96 divided by 6. It's on your book, page 74, okay? How can I divide it on 96? I can't find it on the times table of 6, right? The biggest number on the times table is 60. When you multiply it by 10, I don't know if you multiply it by 14, 13, 20, whatever. So I use the long division. I write here 96 and I write 6 and I start checking each number. The first number, which is closer to 6. Here. How many 6 inside this 9? How many 6 inside this 9? I have only one 6, right? So write 1. That's okay. It's okay. Now multiply it. 1 times 6. I have 6. Subtract it. 9 take away 6 equal 3. So I have a remainder over here. Okay. Now I am not supposed to have a very big remainder. If you subtract, you should have a small one. Okay? Less than 6. Okay, now I have to put the 6 down. I need to ask the 6 to help me with that. Okay, 6, go down. Okay, 6. I have the number 36 now. I need to check both of them together. I have 36. How many 6 inside the 36? We know that 6 times 6 equals 36. So the answer for sure is I have 6 6's inside the 36. Multiply it again. 6 times 3 times 6 equals 36. Subtract it. 36 take away 36 equal 0. So the answer is 16. And I don't have remainder. The remainder is 0. Let's do the next one. Let's do the next one, which is 337. 337, I have 337. And I'm dividing it on 3. Always the biggest number at the beginning. Okay, I will write a long division because it's a very big number. You know when to find this number without a long division. Write 3 and write the 337. The first step is look at the first number closer to me. How many 3 inside the 3? I have 1. Yeah, multiply it down. 1 times 3 equal 3. Subtract it. 3 take away 3 equals 0. Okay, now we will check the next number. Put it down so we can check it. Write down here 3. Okay, how many 3 inside this 3? How many 3 inside this 3? I have only 1. Again, 1 times 3 equal 3. Take away. 3 take away 3 equals 0. Excellent. Now I need to put down the 7 so I can check it. Okay, put down the 7 so we can check it. This is the 7. How many 3 inside the 7? I have 2. Okay, I have 2. I don't have 3. Okay, so I have 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. And if you take away, you have 1 remainder. Okay, so the answer is 112, and the remainder, the R stands for the remainder, the number down here. The remainder is 1, okay? Okay, let's take another look for the exercise on your own. It's on page number 75. 75, okay? 75. Look at exercise page 75. I have 2 exercises. We will do them both. 334 divided by 3. And I have 484 divided by 4. It's very easy. We will do the first one, long division for sure. 3, 303, 34. The first one is 3. How many 3? I have 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. Take away 3, take away 3 equals 0. Put the 3 down. 3. How many 3 inside this 3? I have 1. So I write 1 in the top. And I multiply it. Okay? 1 times 3 equal 3. Subtract it now equals 0. Then put the 4 down. 4. How many 3 inside this 4? I only have 1 3 inside this 4. So I write only 1. Then subtract again. 1 times 3 equals 3. And I have remainder 1 when I take away. Okay, so the remainder is 1. So I have the answer as 111 and the remainder is 1. Okay, so the remainder is 1. Let's do the next exercise, which is 484 divided by 4. How many 4 inside this 4? I have 1 times 4 equals 4, subtracted. 4 take away 4 equals 0. Okay, I check the second number, which is 8. Write 8 down here. How many 4 inside this 8? How many 4? I have 2 4s. So I write 2. 2 times 4 equal 8. Subtract them. Subtract them. I have 8 take away 8 equals 0. Am I done? No, I still have 4 over here. So I have to check 4 too. So put 4 down so we can check it now. Okay, so write 4 over here. 4. How many 4 inside this 4? I have 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. Subtract it to have a remainder of 0. So the answer is 121. And the remainder is 0. Okay? Okay. Let's choose another one. Okay. I will do exercise. I will do the exercise number 463 divided by 2 because we have a remainder over here. Okay. Come on, let's do it over here. Yeah. I have 2. The first one, which is 4. How many 2 inside this 4? I have 2 4s, 2 2s. Okay, 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. Subtract it equals 0. Now we need to check number 6. Put the 6 down. 6. How many 2? I have 3. Okay, I have 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. Take away, it's 0. Now we want to check number 3. Put 3 down. I have 3. How many 3? How many 2 inside this 3? I have only 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. And we have the remainder 1. So the answer is 231. And the remainder is 1. Okay? So this is our lesson for the long division with a simple division without any regrouping. Now we want to take some more exercises to make it more advanced, okay? So to make it more advanced, and we call it with regrouping, okay? With regrouping. You will find this on your textbook page 76, okay? I will start with this first exercise, which is 334 divided by 2 equal, okay, we will do the long division. Okay, how many 2 inside this 3? The first number, we have 1, okay? I have only 1, okay? And I have to write 1 times 2 equal, 1 times 2 equal 2, and you subtract it to have 2 times 3, 3 take away 2 equal 1. This is the leftover, okay? Now we want, you know, that one is not enough and it's a leftover. So we put 3 down so we can check. How many 2 inside this 13? How many 2 inside this 13? Okay, can we find 13 on the times table for 2? Multiply something with 2, you will find 13 or less. 13 or less, I can find number 6, right? So if you multiply number 6 with 2, you will find the 12. So write down 12. You have to be less. It should be less, okay? Subtract it, and you will have the answer 1. And we still have number 4. So we need to check number 4. Put number 4 down. I have 14. How many 2 inside 14? Can I find 14 on the times table for 2? 14 or less. 14 or less. Yes, exactly, 7. 7 times 2, it's 14. Subtract it, the remainder is 0, okay? So these are the steps. Okay, let's do some more exercises. Now, we have, I will write some more exercises for you. I have exercise on your book. It's 492. It's 492 or no, sorry, 300. Okay, I will do page 79, which is 492 divided by 2 by 3, okay? Okay, it's a long division because it's a very big number. We write 3 here and 4, 9, and 2, okay? Let's start with the first one. How many 3 inside this 4? I have only 1. Yeah, go down, multiply it. 1 times 3 equal 3. 4, take away 3, 1. Now we need to ask the 9. We need to check the 9. Go down with the 9. 19. Can I find 19 on the 3 times table or less? 19 or less? Yes, I can find 18. It's very close to the 9. When you multiply it with 6, so 6 times 3 equal 18, right? Subtract it, you will find 1. Okay, we're not done yet. We still have 2, so put 2 down. 12. How many 3 inside this 12? Can I find 12 on the times table of 3 or less? Can you find it or less? Yes, it's with 4. 4 times 3 equal 12. You subtract it, you will have the answer as 0. So these are the answer, 164, and the remainder is 0. So this is a multiple of 3, okay? So this number is a multiple of 3 because the remainder is 0. Okay, I will erase this. I will do the last 2 exercises so we can understand more why we are, or how can we do the long division. Okay. I have here oh no, okay, I will write 920 okay, 21, okay, divided by 3. I will divide it by 3, which is, if you write it, this is 921 divided by 3 equal, okay? We will do this together here. 9 divided by 3, how many 9 inside this 3? How many 9? I have, how many 3 inside this 9? Sorry, I have 3 9s, excellent. 3 times 3 equal 9, excellent. Subtract them, 9 take away 9 equals 0. And I'm done with the first place. Now put the second place down, which is 2. Okay, 2. We need to check 2. How many 3 is inside this 2? How many 3 inside this 2? We have 0, right? I have 0 to 3s. 0 times 3 equals 0. Subtract them, and the 2 is going down. Now we have to put this number down, which is 1. Okay, 21. Can I find 21 on the times table of 3? 21 or less? Yes, I can find it with 7. So 7 times 3 equal 21. So if you subtract it, you will have 0. So the answer is 307, and the remainder is 0. Okay, the remainder is 0. Okay, I will do another exercise, which is 105 divided by 5. And as you see here, this is not multiple of it. So we should have a remainder, because this is the ones place is not 0 or 5. It should be 0 or 5, so we can call it multiple of 5. I will do it as a long division. It's 5 and 145. Let's check the first number. 1. How many 5 inside this 1? Can I ask myself this question? No, it's not enough. So I have to ask myself about the 15. So join them together. The 15. How many 5 inside this 15? I have 3 5s, right? I can find it on the times table when I multiply it by 3. So 3 times 5 equal 15. It's not necessary, 15 or less. It's okay. So subtract it equals 0. Now we put 4 down. How many 5 inside this 4? Look, it's original number. How many 5 inside this 4? 0 5s. Okay, so 0 times 4 equal 0 times 5 equals 0. Oops, 0. 4 take away 0 equal 4. So the answer is 30, and the remainder is 4. Okay, so the answer is 30, and the remainder is 4. Let's do another exercise. It's on your textbook. It's 215 divided by 6. Okay, 215 divided by 6. Let's do a long division. This is 6, this is 215. Okay, number 2. How many 6 inside this 2? Can I do that? No, I can't, because 2 is not enough. Look at the next number. I have 21. Find the 21 on the times table of 6 or less. Remember, what is the number that I multiply it with 6 and can give me 20 or less? 21 or less. The biggest number was 3. So if I multiply 3 times 6, it's 18, right? This is the biggest number, because if I want to multiply it with 4, if I want to choose 4, 4 times 6 is 24. We're not allowed to multiply or to subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, okay? So we need to choose a smaller number, which is 18. Now subtract 21, take away 18. It is 3, okay? It's still 3. And now we want to put down number 5, which is 35. Okay, can I find 35 on the times table of 6 or less? Yes, I can find it when I multiply with 5. 5 times 6 equal 30, because if I want to choose number 6, it will be 36, and this is wrong. So if you want to choose here 6, and you write 6 times 6 equal 36, and some of you said that it's 1. No, this is wrong, okay? No, you have to choose a smaller number, a smaller number. So over here, 5 times 6 equal 30. Subtract it, and you will have 5 as a remainder, okay? You will have 5 as a remainder. So the answer is 35, and the remainder is 5, right? The remainder is 5. Perfect. Okay, let's do another exercise. This is our last exercise. It's on 79 again. Page 79. I have 365 divided by 7. Okay, long division again because it's a very big number. 7 divided by 7. Okay, come on. Now check. How many 7 inside this 3? We can't find. So we look at the next place, which is 36. Where can I find 36 on the times table of 7 or less? I have 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 5, 35, right? 7 times 6, so stop. I need, it's 42. 7 times 6. 7 times 6, 42. If I need to find 36 or less, I have to stop because I have 35 when I multiply it by 5. So I choose 5 because I need less. So 5 times 7 equals 35, which is this number. And the remainder is 1. 36, take away 35 equal 1. Okay? Now we put down number 5. 15. Where can I find 15 on the times table of 7 or less? Or less, I can find 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. Stop. This is the biggest number you can find. You're not allowed to use 7 times 3, which is 21. Okay? So you write over here 2. 2 times 7, 14. Take away, you have the answer 1. 15 take away 14 equal 1. So the answer over here is 52 and the remainder is 1. Okay, the remainder is 1. So these are some answers for the questions. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch them many times till you understand the concept, and thank you for watching.